one of the most awesome features about HuntPro and the uploads is you, under your folder section, you have a recent uploads. You can also start straight from the filters on the picture page. But if you look at this and you say, okay, well, I've got way more pictures than I should have on this card. Did it get pulled late? Did it not get pulled late? Is it set wrong to make it be that much drastically different? And then you can simply click on View Images. It's going to take you right into that particular area. And right here, I can look at this and I can say, okay, out of what the AI has detected, I can see that nobody's worked these images. They're still red around the edges. I can see some people out here, probably swapping cards, filling feeders, that type of stuff. But I can go out here and I can look and say, like, okay, how many of these pictures out of there really didn't have any valuable content in them just by clicking that none filter. Then I can click to select all of those, and then I can delete them. But if I see one like this where I need to investigate a little bit more to say, okay, what is in this picture, or is there anything there, like this golf cart in particular, I can simply unselect it and delete the rest of them, leaving me with that one image to look at. And I can say, okay, that is a vehicle, but I can't tell what's going on there, and it is going to be the people filling up feeders on my property. So if I wanted to get rid of that one, I can go ahead and get rid of it. If I want to look at, how many of the pictures had turkeys or pigs or raccoons or anything else like that in it, I can do that, and I can say, okay, well, I've still got to look at these because there is a raccoon there, but it also has deer, and I need to look and see what that is. And that looks like a mom and her fawn to me. You can set those very easily. You can add tags here using the right-click functionality for whatever's in the image that you wanted to see there. If you cared about the other additional raccoons, you can put those out there. If you want to left-click on these and target this animal for harvest, or name this animal, give it an age, any other tags, torn left ear, piebald, whatever you wanted to put there would go in there. Then you can filter it on the left-hand side under these particular items. So if you think about the flexibility or the power of this, it just really lets you look at this and go, okay, this is better than anything I've ever had from going through these. But I can also look at it and say, hey, somebody set my camera up for every minute. So when I've got activity in it, that's going to be way too much for what I need to see. I can now go back and fix that camera, have them change the settings, and they can update it to make sure that everything is okay on that